as we know the formula of successive increment बच्चों, we know that the x plus xy divided by 100, right. This is the formula, divide by 100. Or we know that what is the value of x value is 10% increment, that's why it is positive, right, it is increment. Now thereafter decrement 15%, let me take negative 15% plus minus, that is equal to positive 10 multiply negative 15 divided by 100. Overall it will become 6.5 in the negative, right, because the 15% is just more than the positive value there, it will also comes out to be in the negative, right. This is negative symbol shows that it is a decrement, that means 6.5% decrement, the option number second in that option question.